To begin using the Retekess AM, FM shortwave radio, make sure the batteries are installed before use. Then, set the radio to AM, using the band selector, which is the blue circle. Turn on the radio and adjust the volume as needed. Slowly adjust the tune dial to scan or move between AM frequencies. For example, not on a radio station. Quiet white noise or static sounds in the background are normal. Extend the radio's antenna to its desired length. Move the radio antenna closer to and further away from suspect EMI sources. While doing so, note any unusual interference from the radio speaker. In this example, notice the noise from the radio speaker once the laptop is open and the screen is on. This noise disappears once the laptop is closed and sleeping. Try plugging in or unplugging sources to see if that makes any difference in the behavior. Notice how noise increases once the laptop's power adapter is plugged in and charging. This noise decreases once the laptop's power adapter is disconnected. For more information on the Retekess AM, FM shortwave radio, and other EMF mitigation products, please visit our website at www.safelivingtechnologies.com.